Check out this 2004 Toyota Tundra. Carfax has certified this Tundra as having one owner. This Tundra has just under 66,000 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 17 on the highway. This Tundra boasts a 4.7-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, AM/FM stereo, tinted windows, driver airbag and sliding rear window. Call 770-288-3755 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.